Hello and welcome to a very special lecture series on socio-religious reformers in India, and in today's class I'll be talking about one of the very important and influential personalities in the social reform or the religious reform movement in Indian context, and his name is Swami Vivekananda. So first of all, his original name was Narendranath Datta. So you might get questions in a sense that they might ask you the original names of different personalities, and you have to guess the same. And also they might give you a list of the original names as well as the names which are very popular. For example, in one column they might give you the original name, and the other they will be giving you the famous name, and therefore you have to match the correct options. So this can be the way in which the questions can be asked. So therefore we should know the original name. So Swami Vivekananda, his original name is Narendranath Datta. Furthermore, he is the chief disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhans. So this is again an important fact associated with Swami Vivekananda. Furthermore, he introduced the philosophies of Vedanta as well as yoga to the Western world. So again, the propagation of Hindu philosophy to the Western world was done by Swami Vivekananda, and he was also influenced by these philosophies as well. Furthermore, Swami Vivekananda's birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day. So therefore 1863 is the birth year and 1902 is the death year. So I'll leave this fact to you, that you have to search the date of birth of Swami Vivekananda, and that day, particular day, is celebrated as National Youth Day in India. Furthermore, he gave the message of service to humanity. This is again an important sort of ideology propagated by Swami Vivekananda, that is, service to humanity was his idea or ideology. Furthermore, a very important fact associated with Swami Vivekananda is that in some of the accounts he was called as Shruti Dhara, meaning thereby a person with prodigious memory. So Shruti Dhara is again a title given to him, but now the source is not confirmed. It says that in some accounts Narendranath, meaning thereby Swami Vivekananda, was called as Shruti Dhara, meaning thereby a person with prodigious memory. This is again an important fact. Now let us look at the contribution. He founded the Ramakrishna Mission. The Ramakrishna Mission, obviously under the name of his guru, who was Ramakrishna Paramhans. He founded the Ramakrishna Mission in 1887. And what was the need for that? For the service of society. And later this Ramakrishna Mission was converted into a trust and registered in 1896. So this is a very important contribution made by Swami Vivekananda, popularly known as Swami Vivekananda, but his original name was Narendranath Datta. Furthermore, Ramakrishna Mission established educational institutions, hospitals, orphanages, libraries, etc. So you can see how liberal thinking is being propagated with the help of the idea of Swami Vivekananda through the Ramakrishna Mission, or a trust which was later converted into a trust. Furthermore, he condemned, or the Ramakrishna Mission condemned, superstitions, caste system and rituals followed up in the Hindu philosophy. So this is how we can see a liberal sort of thinking or secular sort of a thinking propagated by Ramakrishna Mission through Swami Vivekananda's ideology. Furthermore, he preached humanism and urged the people to imbibe the spirit of equality, liberty and free thinking. So this is how we can see that Swami Vivekananda subscribed to ideals of liberty, equality and free thinking, and the same has been propagated by Ramakrishna Mission. So this is again a very important point. Furthermore, they condemned untouchability and they also opposed the caste system. That means they were against all of this. They were liberals, and their understanding of humanity was different, because here we see that he himself gave the message of service to humanity, and therefore these things does not matter to him. So this is how you can look at the contribution as well as facts associated with yet another important personality, popularly known as Swami Vivekananda, but his original name was Narendranath Datta. So I hope the idea is pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. Thank you.